Hi, it's Jess back again with some more instructions when setting up your Cowboy 3200. The little presser foot on your table, this one, it's the same size whether you've got the pedestal table or the U-shaped table. It's the pedal that you can use to lift the presser foot without using your hands. So you can just press it with your foot and the presser foot will come up, which is really handy if you want to have both hands on your work, and when you want to turn a corner or something, you want to lift the foot a bit, you can keep both hands, move what you're doing, and just lift the presser foot with your foot instead of having to get your hand up here on the lever. So this bit of chain, we run the chain down behind this bar here and through this hole at the back of the machine, which also is a hole in the table. You run it down there, loop the first link of the chain into this S hook, and then down here we want to put the hook into the pedal and then put a link in the chain that makes this not super tight, but just so that it gets enough purchase on it. And you do want to be doing this while the presser foot is down. So have the presser foot down so that you can get this at this tightness while the presser foot's down, because you don't want to be doing this while the presser foot's up, because then it won't let the foot go back down again because the chain will be too tight. Also, if you have the chain too tight, it will have a bit of a tendency to wobble this while you're sewing. So that's just because this chain is too tight and it's getting too much movement in it from the sewing. But that's about how it goes. Link up here, down through the table, and hook it up to the pedal. Then you can see by pushing the pedal, we get presser foot lifting. This is also how you get the most lift out of your presser foot. In most machines, by lifting the presser foot with the lever, you'll get a certain amount of lift, but then by using the pedal, you'll get a little bit more lift. On the 3200, it's actually fairly similar, just a little bit extra with the pedal. On some of the smaller machines, it's more noticeable. So that's how it works. Thank you.